Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just talk.
Hello, this is Miss Imelda Sadiwa, the Secretary of Calling Call Center Company. We are glad to invite you, Miss Lovely Dakanay, for an interview on March 7, 2010.
I can do it. I can pass the interview.
Jet, I'm late. Are you ready, applicants?
Good morning, sir. I'm Mr. Ferdinand Alvarado.
Let's start. How did you find our company, Mr. Alvarado?
Oh, well, I have researched that this company has a high quality in terms of public pay and employees are friendly like you do, sir.
Next applicant, Miss April Desamito. Me. Oh, come on. Do I look good now?
Why? You look wrong. Have you suffered insomnia last night?
What? Do I look like one?
Yes, but it's your turn. Just go on.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Come in, please sit down. So, who you are?
I am April Desamito, sir.
Okay, could you tell me something about yourself, Miss Desamito?
I am a fresh graduate at Ordonez City University, 20 years old, and confident to say my very skill is to program, sir.
Really? So, How did you know that we needed someone who could make a program to our company?
I just think so, sir. And because I know that every company is in need of a system creator. And I'm glad to serve in here with you.
Come in.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Your name, please?
I am Lovely Dakanay, sir.
Please sit down. Do you feel nervous? Just calm yourself, lady. I am not a carnivore. So let's get started.
I feel nervous, sir.
You don't have to be because it's just a quick question and answer. Now, let us begin with your question. If I will hire you in our company, how are we going to benefit from you?
Sir, I am confident to say that I applied here because I know how to do office work and I can hardly contribute what I learned from my school, sir. I am also willing to undergo seminars just to meet your expectations in your company.
How if you wouldn't meet our expectations? Can we trash you out?
Sir, you wouldn't trust me if I got it. I know I can do it, and I believe that no harm on trying.
You said earlier that you can do office works. Can you give me some instances of what you can do?
Sir, I can type 30 words per minute. I can manage HTML and system operations.
Saglit, nabubulol na ako!
Cut.
Cut! Nakaupo na.
Coming! Who are you? Applicant? Come. Wait for some interview.